Hey guys, welcome to the Swing Bean. Today we are going to be doing a slime review video. I know, I keep doing these, but they're so much fun and I'm pretty sure you guys enjoy them as much as I do. So, the place that I got my slime from is the same place that I got my last slime from, the Sister Slime Shop, and I got a Halloween themed one, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys. So, it's first class packaging, so super fancy and all. Oh god, this tape. Let's see. There we go. That didn't take too long. So it comes with it comes with this coupon code for like Halloween, and then a little, oh, this is cool. It says what to do if my slime is sticky, and it also says what to do if my slime rips easily. So that's cool. There's the slime itself. It's called Halloween Night, and I think it should be pretty cool. Oh, it comes with some candy for Halloween. That's awesome. I have some Sweet Tarts, a Now and Later, and some Super Bubble Gum. And then it has slime activator for the slime in case it gets sticky or something. Oh, that is so cute. It comes with this little ghost charm that I can put in my slime, you know. So I'm probably going to do that. That's awesome. Look at this guy, he's so cute. So, oh my god, I love bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is just amazing. I'll be back to you guys in 1 minute after I unpackage this. I'm not good at unpackaging really quickly. And we're back. So, I got it unpackaged with the pair of scissors. I know it's kind of cheating, but... So, this is what it looks like, the Sister Slime Shop. And on the bottom it says the name of the slime. It's Halloween Night. It's super glittery, if you guys can see that. So let's go ahead and look at that. That is so cool. It has like this weird candy type scent to it. Oh my god, it's super sticky. I don't normally play with sticky slime, so this is a little bit new for me and you guys. It's cold because it's been outside in the mailbox for a little, probably. It's so sticky, and it has this super weird scent to it. I don't know what it is. It's like fruity candy or something. Oh my god. That is so weird. I can't get the rest of it out, but this is disgusting. Like in a good way, though. It's really cool. As you can see, there's the sparkles in it. It's already making like some popping noises, if you guys can hear that. So, I'll go ahead and get on to the ASMR part that you guys have been, of course, waiting for. So, let's get on with that.